Okay, guys, I'm sorry that we got interrupted there. But guys, let's let this equilateral triangle, let's let them all, okay, let's let them all equal 2. So that side was 2, that side was 2. But wait a minute. What's this side equal? Right? If I drop an altitude from in an equilateral or equiangular triangle, what's this side over here equal, Simon?
What?
That equals 1. Okay? Now wait a minute. Let me get rid of this side, because I'm not worried about that side anymore. Because now I'm dealing with a right triangle. Right? We know that's 2. We know that's 1. Yeah? What's the measurement of this angle? Does anyone know what the measurement of that angle is? It was 60. Ethan?
30.
Now it's 30 because we cut half of it off. Oh, look at that. A 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay. Now, let me ask you something. What can we say about the shortest side, the side opposite the 30? You see, 30 is the smallest angle, so the side opposite it is the smallest side. Right? Okay, what can we say about the smallest side and the hypotenuse? Super easy. What can we say about it? Justin?
The hypotenuse is twice of the shortest leg.
The hypotenuse is twice the shortest leg. Or, what's the converse of that? Let's state it the other way now. Cole?
The leg is half as short as the hypotenuse.
The shortest leg is half of the hypotenuse. Thank you, Cole. Perfect. Does that make sense? Now, the only side that we need to figure out is this one over here. Okay, well that's easy, right? 1 squared plus b squared is equal to 2 squared, right? Does that make sense? Okay, so 1 plus b squared is equal to 4. Subtract 1, b squared is equal to 3. What's b equal? Ethan?
The square root of 3.
It equals the square root of 3. Do you know how we find it? We take the shortest side, whatever it is, and we multiply it by the square root of 3. And that's it. Here, let me give you an example of one. Let's say that this is a 30, 60, 90. And let's say that this is 14. What's the length of the shortest side down here, Teddy?
14.
No, they're not equal. The hypotenuse and the shortest side are not equal in length. Nikki, what's the length of the shortest side?
7.
It's half of the hypotenuse. 7. Okay. What about the medium side, this side over here? What's the length of that side? I see Justin's hand, but I'm ignoring him. I'm wondering if there's anyone else that actually saw what we did right there. I wonder if anyone saw it. Kai saw it. Ethan saw it. Nico saw it. Trigo saw it. Tut saw it. Tut. What's the length of this medium side?
Look, that you have to do.
Oh, I don't need to do Pythagoras.
Oh.
It's the short side times the square root 3. The short side times the square root of 3. Every time. The medium side is the short side times the square root of 3. The hypotenuse is twice the short side. Okay? Those are our 2 special triangles. Before it becomes vacation time, let's go ahead and do this example. All right? Let's see. The mat used for a gymnastics competition is a square. Okay. With a side length of 13 meters. Okay. If a gymnast starts at one corner, it should say, not corners, one corner and runs straight to the opposite side, how long is her path? Well, how long is her path? What kind of triangle do you think this is, Alex Brown?
30, 60.
Oh, it's not a 30, 60, 90. No, this is a right triangle, and these 2 sides are equal to each other. So what do we know about these 2 angles, Alex?
That they have to be equal.
They have to be equal, which means that they are the same number. So this is a 45, 45, 90, right? So how long is this distance, please? Justin?
13 root 2.
13 times the square root of 2. Now, if they ask me a real-world problem, I'm probably going to go ahead and just round that to the nearest tenth and find out what the square root of 2 is, which is 1.414 about, and then multiply it by 13. Okay? All right. Good job, guys. Next example.